The Claassen Group is one of the worldwide leading manufacturers of wall and floor coverings. The Claassen Design Center in Kaisersesch is the creative heart of the entire group.
Hier werden alle Produktinnovationen und Designs entwickelt und umgesetzt. Dabei lassen wir uns inspirieren durch die Natur, die unterschiedlichsten Materialien und das Stil- und Farbempfinden der verschiedenen Kontinente und deren Länder. Schließlich entstehen so die vielfältigen und außergewöhnlichen Designs.
Our production plant in Kaisersesch is supplied daily with polyolefins and natural quarried mineral powder. The raw materials are mixed together in our extruders and are processed to form granulate. In our tile production, the granulate is spread uniformly on a conveyor belt and is fired to form an endless strip. The result is the thermoplastic composite Ceramin. It is then shaped into individual boards. In-process quality assurance of the boards is an inherent part of our production processes. The hardened boards are cleaned and are coated with a wash primer. The subsequent application of the white printing substrate ensures a common color base of all boards for digital printing. A protective, durable and multi-coat surface seal is then applied on the printed surfaces. The required surface texture is formed using texturing rolls, or alternatively with our new digital texturing process. A final coat of lacquer is applied to produce the level of gloss and to ensure the required micro-scratch resistance. In the profiling department, the boards are cut into the required plank and tile sizes and are chamfered. The chamfers are then coated with suitable colors. Defective goods are detected by special cameras and are removed fully automatically.
Ja, wir sind in der Lage, die Fußböden, die nicht den Qualitätskriterien entsprechen und dementsprechend im Produktionsprozess ausgeschleust werden, durch eine Mühle zu bringen und so in den Prozess der Granulierung und dann schlussendlich in den gesamten Produktionsprozess wieder einzuschleusen, sodass wir von einer ausschussfreien Produktion sprechen dürfen.
We have been working on sustainable production methods for years and have thus achieved a fully integrated production. In our laboratories, we carry out continuous research on new products and use high-tech and efficient test methods to ensure the quality of our wall and floor coverings. The finished, profiled panels are transferred from the automated high bay warehouse to the packaging system. Here the goods are packed and inserts are added. After loading, our products are sent to wholesalers, retailers, and DIY stores all around the world.